Jollibee! Ano kayo pagkain niya? Baka yung mangga naman. Mangga. Rosie! Anong food mo for today? Balot! Ayan. Ano kayong pagkain niya?
Balot. Kwek-kwek.
Lumpia! Lumpia! Ay! Ano yung turon?
Lumpia.
Uy, masarap!
Balot.
Sarap! Food is life. Takot talaga ni Rosie.
Dito plastic, di ba?
Oo. On mo na. On mo na. On mo na.
Hindi din kami plastic.
Hindi, sarado mo. Ayun na siya. Lights off? Lights on. Hi, Rosie! Sarap, be? Anong kakanta niya? Hindi, 3 AM ata yan. 3 AM yan.
Fall for you guys for a while. This is really low.
Ano ba yung technical?
Alright. So we've taken a little bit of a break, and now we're back here in the Philippines. And I must say, sometimes I personally forget what it is that I do in life, and I'm like, some days I don't feel like Blackpink.
Ang daming kwento ni Rosie, ha?
I kind of felt that way as we were rising. It made me feel like, as I was coming up, as you guys were like cheering for us, it reminded me. I was like, oh, you guys make me believe I'm in Blackpink.
We love you, Rosie!
I promise you, before we got up, I did not feel like very special. I didn't know. Didn't feel
We
like
love you!
your screams and your cheers and your presence has made me feel like possibly, quite possibly the number one girl.
We love you!
Each and every one of you guys feel like number ones tonight.
I'm number one!
As we sing this song, let's manifest.
Number one girls!
This is the one now. Let's go.
Ang dami ang special.
Number one girl nga.